In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Quicksnap not showing on Instagram. Let's get started. First up, update your Instagram app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, launch Instagram. Navigate to your conversations page. Over there, at the top or at the right hand side of the conversations page, you're gonna find this feature. If it is not available, navigate to the settings. For that, head towards your profile page, click on three bars given at the top right. Now scroll all the way down, head over to the option Help. Click on the option Report your problem. Click on Report problem without checking. Click on Don't Include and Continue. Now here briefly explain about your issue and send it. That Instagram Quicksnap feature is not available in your Instagram account yet. And that's it. Instagram support team will get back to you. With these steps, you will be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.